This is our GRIZZLY vertical mill. It has an 8x32 table. It's got an R8 spindle. It's 1.5 horsepower. It's got 1.5 horsepower. It's also 220 volt single phase. It's got an inverter on it to control your speed. Machine came out of a very large company's R&D development room. It's got a 4-inch vise. It's got a full set of collets, a drill chuck, and it's been used very little. We're going to run it for you now. This is for forward and reverse. You can really not hear it. Speeding it up. Reversing. Very little backlash, really smooth. Spindle, tighten this knob. See how far it goes. This is our 8x30-inch GRIZZLY mill. The machine was new in 2017. The other thing, the head does swivel from left to right, and the column moves, so you can rotate the head. Thank you for watching.